Welcome to the Eggs to Adults Activity Center. At this center, students learn about the different stages in the life of a fish.
Real fish?
Yes, there are live fish to look at.
The message is about groundwater, and it's important to trout because it keeps the water clean and cold.
The kids get to fish questions out of a tub and test their knowledge about fish habitat, pollutants, and the life cycle of a fish.
The life cycle of a fish starts when they are eggs, and the eggs are found in the water. And we have actually an example of what salmon eggs look like. And then once these guys are hatched, they become teeny tiny baby fish called fry. And then once they and the next stage is when they become a juvenile, which is sort of like being a toddler or whatever. And these guys here are actually juvenile fish. And these species of fish can actually be found in the Harmony Creek. And for an example of the salmon, once the eggs hatch, they will actually travel, would be downstream toward the lake, and if it's Atlantic salmon, they'll actually travel to the Atlantic Ocean, and the distance between that is about the distance from here to New Brunswick. And they'll actually live their life out in the ocean, and once it's time for them to breed or spawn, they'll actually come right back the way they came from Atlantic Ocean all the way up to back to these creeks that we have here, and they will spawn here where they were actually hatched.